Hello once again and welcome to this tutorial. We'll be starting chapter number 3, that is on GitHub. The first tutorial being how Git and GitHub work together. So a bit of recap. Git is a distributed version control system, whatever you're seeing on your screen right now, and it manages different versions of your code. By now you are well aware of what it does. Just take Git as a software or a solution that manages project history and tracks changes. On the other hand, I want us to start on GitHub. Now, I've already Googled what GitHub is. You can still do the same, preferably using Google Chrome as always. GitHub is, first of all, let's just click and head to that website. I've already logged in. Let me try and log out and let's see. So GitHub, if you go to github.com, you'll see the website. This is the official GitHub website. Come on, why you? This is supposed to be okay. Sign out. Okay, so this is the official GitHub website. So it's basically a platform for developers, and it's like a Git but the remote version of Git. It's a remote hosting platform, and it offers cloud hosting for pages as well. Okay, so that's GitHub. So what's the relationship between this Git that we installed in our local machine and GitHub? So you can push, pull, and request or clone projects from your GitHub repository. And the way to do it, your GitHub repository can either be public or private. Public for those who are using GitHub for free, and private for those who want to use the paid version. It can also be public for a paid version. The only difference is private will not be accessible to everyone and public is accessible to everyone. Okay, so that's the difference between Git and GitHub, but also how Git can collaborate with GitHub. So we will be running commands from here so that we push our version control from locally from Git on our machine to online on GitHub. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next tutorial where I will be talking about local to remote repository systems. See you then.